friends, I'm back and I'm going to show you another kitchen tip. I got my celery on sale for 79 cents for a big bunch like this. Okay, so I got a nice little sale. I'm not going to do anything with it except cut the end off right there. And you know, you can regrow that. Put it in some water and it'll start to sprout. Okay, now with that, all I'm going to do with this, in fact, I'm going to set this aside so I can spread out my foil. I'm going to spread some aluminum foil out so I can get it out of here without tearing it up. Okay, try it this way. I'm going to spread. I hate cheap aluminum foil. I hate it. Okay. Alright, we got that right there. Now, we're going to take our celery. We are going to put it in here and roll it and wrap it. And you may even need another piece on top like I do because I got, but you're just going to roll it like so and wrap it up in that aluminum foil. Put it in your crisper drawer, and you know what? It'll last for probably twice as long to 3 times as long as normal. So it'll last a nice long time, and you will always have nice, firm, crispy celery. So there you have it, friends. There's a simple kitchen tip. Thanks for watching.